Hello. Today we're going to talk about circulation problems. Circulation problems have an emotional root cause, such as suppressing feeling positive emotions. Negative emotions have been made with joy and positive emotions. This pattern seems to have caused withdrawal from one's life, passion, goals, and needs. Also, there may not have been many opportunities to explore creativity as a child. Instead, other people often control how and when creativity could be expressed, as well as the feeling of being unsupported throughout life and often feeling challenged when confronted with responsibilities. Circulation problems also are due to being reluctant to seek support, yet resenting or blaming others when they don't notice the pain. Also, all of this have been due to suffering abandonment, trauma during childhood, living the feeling of being alone and cut off from love. Because it's safest when you're isolated from others. Additionally, as we age, we move less. Our circulation kind of slows down, and you feel this in your hands and or feet that are cold. Now, circulation problems in your hands also have an emotional root cause, such as it being related to trauma experience in asking and receiving support. Because you learn how to cope without sufficient support, as receiving anything from anyone only causes you to feel obligated and indebted to them. You feel that nothing in life is free. Now, circulation problems in your legs or feet is due to fear. Fear related to moving forward and making changes in your life. You feel safe in your comfort zone and are unwilling or unable to cope with new circumstances. You're afraid you will sabotage any good or positive experiences and changes that may come your way. You feel very rigid in regard to changes taking place in your life. You don't communicate what you need in order to attract and make successful changes. Now, circulation problems are something that are experienced more by the elderly as they age than by young people. And this is something that we need to watch out for. Because after circulation problems, it introduces other problems with it as well. And with that, have a great day.